My name is Joanna and I'm from South Daytona, Florida. Before eating paleo, it was pretty bad. I had sinus issues to the point where they just became more consistent. They were every 2 weeks I would get a sinus infection. I was miserable. Also digestive issues, stomach always hurting and always having to go to the bathroom. It was just not fun. I had no energy. I have 2 kids and I always thought that was just kind of normal because I had 2 kids and I was older. I have not had a sinus infection since I started eating paleo, and my digestive issues have gotten so much better. I've had so much more energy. I've been able to play with my kids more and interact with them, and before it just wasn't possible. And as a plus, I've lost quite a bit of weight. The staff at Natural Health Practices gives you so much advice and recipes and suggestions, and they're there to help you any way that they can, so it doesn't seem so overwhelming. There were other people in the group that, might have had some questions or that were answering questions that I had, posting their meals, which gave us, new ideas and recipes to follow. It was very encouraging to do it with other people. I like that I can make anything that I used to eat that wouldn't be considered paleo, I can make it into a paleo meal or recipe with just a little bit of change. The majority of people, myself included, they need the support, they need the accountability, and I think I would have given up pretty soon after I started if I was on my own. It's definitely worth doing. Like I said, if you don't feel like you can do it on your own, definitely join because they can help you, give you advice, recipes, suggestions, support, and whatever you feel like you're gonna miss out on, I promise you you're not, because they're gonna find a way to make what you're missing paleo and probably even better than what it was before.